G'day, welcome to Free Social Rock Climbing. My name's Adam. Today I'm going to test some of our prusik cord. It's a 6mm double braid dyneema 1.8 tonne breaking strain. The internal braid, which is the strength member, I've doubled back to about there, and from there to about there, just so it doesn't pull through, because this is dyneema after all. We're also going to test a couple of these carabiners and a gear loop. But before we do that, we have to test our rig, to calibrate it. Testing a test rig. So we're on 36 divisions. And we have our weight free hanging. I then slacken her off. Sit. Just steadying the chain here. Close enough to zero. So measure it on camera to get a verifiable calibration. So I've got the steel rule sitting up against the magnetic tangent stop there. 225 millimeters. And $350 high. So I'll throw the calculations up in the next frame, and then we'll get on to testing. So I've got my carabiner to a soft shackle there. Testing the gear loop first. Another soft shackle, then the big crane hook. So 1 tonne should be 330 thou deflection. There's 300 kilograms. There's 600. There's 900 and a bit. And there's in safe excess of a tonne. And that's just the soft shackle knots tightening. So, gear loop down, back check. Proof testing this to 1 tonne. That's 600. There's 900. And just over a tonne. and the knots are tightening. Now while it's at 1 tonne, an interesting thing about carabiners is, focus, you can't actually open them under load. So what I'm going to do, can't open that one either, is I'm going to slacken it off until I can open the carabiners. From tests beforehand, it happened at about here. So I'll just tighten that one up. Okay, that's really closing under spring load, but I'll just give it a tiny one click more. Okay, that is not actually closing. That happens at 160 odd divisions, so 300 and 3 sixths are 18, so that's 480 kilo. I think my maths are right. Bit late in the day for arithmetic. Hang on, down. And I can't actually, I can open it up. So, there, that takes a bit of pressure to get it to open up. Okay. It's not snapping back until you press it. A bit. That's free moving. One click more. One click more. Okay. One click more. 2 clicks more. Two clicks more. I think we're dealing with a bit of stretch. Okay, so now it's just getting back again, and we are at the same 160 thou deflection. Which, checking my maths in my head again, is 300 plus 180, so that's 480 kilo.